Ricardo or Pepito, and today I'm going to share to you the fable entitled The Hare and the Tortoise. So, to formally begin this, I am going to share to you the illustration that I made according to the fable. So, this one is the tortoise, and right here is the hare. Okay. Um, the reason why I choose this fable because when I was a child, it taught me how patient is how patient important in preserving a tree. And I'm going to begin how a story goes. So the title, The Hare and the Tortoise. One day, a fast hare made fun of a slow tortoise, saying, "You're so slow. If I race you, I would win easily," said the hare. The tortoise calmly replied, "Then let's race." The race began. The hare quickly sped ahead and went far away. On the way, he thought, the tortoise will never catch up to me, and decided to take a nap under a tree. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept walking slowly but steadily. Before the hare woke up, the tortoise reached the finish line and won the race. The hare was surprised, but the tortoise taught him the importance of being patient. Okay, so according to the fable, no, the hare and the tortoise is remaining highly relevant by emphasizing the perseverance and consistency and even the humility. Okay, the tortoise there is walay gibuhat na panilabot or even um, intervention for sa hare or the rabbit. So, ang sige buhat sa tortoise is naghatag siya og ng relevance according sa iyang um, skills, no? Instead, underestimate sa hare ang iyang skills. Kaya tungod ang tortoise is hinay mulakaw. Um, the very important lesson that I learned according to this fable is basin pag unsa kakusgon or ka paspason imong gibuhat, if wala kay consistency o kay consistency ana, nahog gyapon walay padulngan ang imong gibuhat. Kay importante sa usa ka butang nga na kay dedication and also the consistency of having and that kind of aspects on your life, no? Kay okay labot sa uban nga balag sa ipang yaw-yaw nila nimo ang buot no naon nga ikaw mo'y gadala, no? Ikaw mo'y driver sa imong pangandoy. Mao nang if bahalag gidaog-daog na ka sa uban usa kay ibang storya nila diha, ang imo lang yung fokusan is ang imuhang pangandoy. Then diha na ako nakuha nga dili lang gyud sa tanang butang, dili lang tanang pangandoy is need na dali nato makabot. The important behavior that we need to apply is being patient. And that would be all my reflection according to